Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter jar full guide. Gather fresh heavy cream, a clean jar, a hand mixer or jar lid for shaking, and a small bowl for buttermilk. Keep everything cold to speed separation and improve texture. Measure salt if you prefer salted butter. I will walk you through shaking, straining, kneading, and storing, plus tips to rescue soft or oily butter with simple household steps. Start by pouring cold heavy cream into a jar sized to leave 1/2 empty for movement. Seal tightly and shake with steady energy, or set a timer and alternate shaking and resting. Watch as cream thickens, then suddenly separates into butter and buttermilk. This is the satisfying moment to strain. Rinse and knead the butter under cold water until runoff is clear, then salt to taste and pack into a jar for storage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a little reward after kitchen work. I put the product link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Pour cold heavy cream into a chilled bowl and start whipping on medium speed until you see soft peaks form. Keep going past peaks until the mixture looks grainy and a pale liquid appears. That liquid is buttermilk. Stop the mixer, strain off buttermilk, then press the butter with a spatula while rinsing under cold water to remove residual milk. Salt if desired, shape into a log, and chill for firmer texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.